You're gonna watch me cook for myself? I'm gonna try to make something out of this. It's 2:45 a.m. I love cooking, but I don't love it enough to stay up any longer than I need to. So, as far as the seasonings, I've noticed that a lot of people just write the seasonings and the spices for their buttermilk mixture without actually measuring it. How many of these frat bros and football bros are actually measuring out to the gram? Probably like 5% of them. And the rest is kind of just winging it. It. Who cares? Gochugaru, smoked paprika, got onion powder, garlic powder, some black pepper. And this is our spice blend, just eyeballing. Half a cup of hot sauce. I'm using 2 cups of buttermilk. All right, that looks seasoned as f***. In the fridge you go. I forgot to film part of that. My deep fryer looks like a spaceship.
With the chicken strips?
자, いただきます。
자, itadakimasu. I'm redoing this.
じゃあ、いただきます。
자, itadakimasu. Oh my god, it's so hot. I'm struggling on how to plate chicken tenders. Do I just like put it on a plate? You know, chicken tenders here, fries here. I feel like the chicken tenders are way too big. This is the size of my hand. That's the size of this boy. Looks like a meteor awkwardly on there. Should I just put it on a plate? Here's your order of diabetes. 자, itadakimasu. Actually, a squeeze of lemon would be good on this. Cheers. Like, how can you not like chicken tenders? Also, a friend told me that it's not good to drink, you know, the A word on YouTube. So, I'm just not gonna say that I drank. Cut that out. It's Doritos battered chicken tenders. I mean, it's like deep fried chicken and fries. How can you not like it? Take care. Make a bunch for football.